Welcome to HTML for Dummies, how I built a website from scratch. I'm your host, and today we'll explore the exciting world of HTML together. Whether you've never written a line of code or want to enhance your web development skills, this video is perfect for you. So let's get started on our coding adventure. All right. Let's begin by opening up your favorite code editor. Name your file something like index.tml and make sure it's saved in its own folder. In the HTML section, start with the necessary elements. The doctype HTML declaration defines the document type. Inside the HTML tags, create a head section for the title of your portfolio. This title will appear on the Browser tab. Now the real fun begins. Use H1 tags for your name, creating a bold and eye-catching heading. Next, add some paragraphs with P tags to introduce yourself and your passion for programming. And there you have it. Your initial portfolio website is ready to shine. With just a few HTML tags, you've created a solid foundation for showcasing your programming aspirations. As you learn and grow, remember, you can always come back to tweak and enhance your portfolio.